love my people and my people love me. And I can die for them and they can die for me. Because I am fighting for their cause and I want that 70 million people of my Bangladesh should be emancipated.
Does it feel good when you are discussing such youth matters at the moment that you feel the support of the people?
All 70 million people are behind me and behind the cause.
Are you sure to win this cause?
Oh, nobody can stop it.
Autonomy of East Pakistan?
Nobody can stop it. Autonomy? Oh, definitely. Nobody can stop my autonomy.
More than that. More than autonomy.
No question of this and that. I want my right.
Emancipation.
I want my emancipation. I want to live like a free citizen of a free country.
You mean independence?
That I don't mean.
Yeah.
It can be done many ways.
Ultimately.
Ultimately, it can be done many ways. Slowly and slowly, by amicable settlement, by many ways it can be achieved.
And West Pakistan cannot do anything about it.
Who can do anything when 70 million people are united behind us?
Even with the army.
What damn army can do? We don't care for them. They can suppress my people, the bullets.
So you're already the chief of independent Bengal. De facto, not legally, but de facto.
What? I am representing the people of Bengal. Legally, morally, I am the man.